Today at Cooking with Nkiru O, I'm going to show you how to make delicious donuts at home. We will start by activating the yeast. Pour a cup of warm water in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast along with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Whisk gently. Cover and set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes so the yeast will proof. Meanwhile, beat 2 whole eggs and keep aside. Now sift 4 cups of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. You can use your stand mixer to do this, but I prefer to use a mixing bowl today. Add half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg along with the remaining sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix to combine. I almost forgot the powdered milk, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons. So mix all the dry ingredients together. After 10 minutes, our yeast is proofed, so it's time to combine the wet and the dry ingredients. Make a well in the middle of the mixing bowl. Pour in the beaten eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and the yeast mixture. Mix to combine very well to form a soft, sticky dough. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead until it becomes smooth and stretchy. This will take about 10 minutes. Form the dough into a ball. Transfer it to a lightly greased bowl. Turn it so the top is coated as well. Cover it and let it rise until it has doubled in size, which will take about 60 to 90 minutes depending on the temperature of your house. After 60 minutes, our dough has doubled in size. Deflate it, then transfer it to a lightly floured surface. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough to about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. Use a donut cutter to cut the dough into donut shapes as I'm showing in this video. If you don't have a donut cutter, use any round glass or cup to cup the dough and then use a bottle cap to make the holes in the center as in this video. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my viewers, both returning ones and new ones, and my subscribers. Your love and support inspire me. You are greatly appreciated. Thank you again and again. You can reroll those tiny pieces and shape them into a full donut, or you fry them as they are. Kids often love them. Transfer the donuts to a tray lined with parchment paper. Cover them and let them rise until they have doubled in size, which will be about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our donuts are ready for frying. Heat up to 3 inches of oil for deep frying. I check oil for readiness by dropping tiny pieces of dough in it. If it sizzles, then it's ready for frying. Gently drop the donuts into the oil. Fry each side for 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Then flip over and fry the other side until they are golden brown. Ensure to not overcrowd the pot. If you do, your donuts will absorb too much oil. Remove donuts from oil and place them on a rack. Continue the process until you have fried all the donuts. Our homemade donuts are ready. They are soft, fluffy, and they taste so delicious. While the donuts are still hot, if you prefer, you can glaze them as you want. I didn't add any glaze to mine because my family prefers them without. Now that you have learned how to make soft, fluffy and delicious donuts at home, go ahead and give it a try and let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and subscribe for more easy, delicious homemade meals. Bye for now and see you soon.